How did you meet Kaloy? I believe that I commented on her photo and I said, Pinay ka ba?
He did.
Mamutag mga best mga bye! Woohoo!
Maya! Ay, nako.
Sige, mamutag sa inyo tanan.
Good morning.
Karon, na kami diri sa Dumaguete.
Wow, surprise, we're still here.
Mao yapon. Kaya lockdown yapon. Sige. Pero karong adlaw, we are going to tell you our love story.
Yes, this is Chloe question and answer time because we celebrated
1 year, baby.
1 year on Monday.
Yes.
Last Monday.
April 20, 2 days before my birthday.
Yes. About a week ago.
About a week ago. With us and then we tweaking.
Alright, so we have some questions that Zoe got about 6 months ago.
I did. And we've answered these, but the camera stopped filming and I never put it in a vlog.
True.
So,
we're gonna refilm them.
yeah.
And we're gonna give you that material.
Yes, and these came straight from you guys. I asked on my Instagram, like, Chloe question and answers. So these are from the people, for the people. If you ask these questions, comment below and be like, hey, that was mine, because I don't have the screenshots anymore.
Alright, let's get into it.
In no particular
Numero
order.
uno.
Well, in a particular order, actually. From 1 to 19. Okay, do you see your future with Carson?
Wait,
Where are you going? What is this? What are you doing?
I see your future.
Go away.
With Kurt. Wale?
Voila. Do you see your future with Carson? Duh.
Wale.
Yeah, duh. I mean, I've always said, like, you don't date to break up, right? You date to get married. And if you don't get married, then you break up. Or, like, you don't ever date for the purpose of breaking up with someone. So you at least see a future with them. Even if you don't believe in marriage.
So, we ain't trying to break up.
No. So, yeah, I see my future with him. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been with him for a year already.
366 days.
No, it's been a little longer.
Alright, number 2. How did you meet Kaloy?
Personas.
How'd you meet me?
How did we meet? Okay, so in 2016, I was in the Philippines with my ex-boyfriend. I know I have one. Ooh.
Messed up. And I was with my friends. Alright, so long story short, I followed her on Instagram in 2016 because I was in the Philippines and she was in the Philippines. We didn't see each other in person, but she popped up on my search feed on Instagram. So I hit that follow button. And I believe that I commented on her photo and I said, Pinay ka ba?
He did. There was a few months of space between the follow and the comment.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
I commented like 5 months later.
Yeah, in December.
Because she posted a photo and I was in the States. And she posted a photo in the Philippines and so I asked her, Pinay ka ba? Are you Filipina?
Yeah, anyway, this is the picture.
And she says,
Mestiza.
mestiza ko.
I did not do
She said, mestiza ko. So she was flexing her Bisaya.
Nah, he taught me all
Yeah.
my Bisaya.
So, and then I asked her, I was like, sick. Do you have any recommendations in Bohol? Because I was planning on going to Bohol.
And I said, I'll DM you.
Yeah.
And I never did.
She never did. She forgot, for sure.
Yeah, I definitely forgot.
Okay, fast forward 2 years, we didn't talk. We were just friends on Instagram. And she already broke up with her ex.
Yep.
And we were both in the Philippines. Not even planned.
Nope.
And even crazier,
Okay.
she was with her family in Cebu, and I was traveling to Cebu to pick up my friend Gabe from Utah. So we were both in Cebu, so we planned to meet up
Yeah.
for the first time.
Yeah, I mean, I was with my parents, so
Yeah.
it's gonna happen.
So we invited her to join us at Kawasan Falls because we had a sponsored tour.
Wait. We have to talk about the first time.
Oh, I'm getting it. So we had a sponsored tour at Kawasan and we invited her to join us. And she has not yet met me in person. And so she had to tell her parents a small lie.
Sorry, Mum and Dad. So I told my parents that I had met him in 2016 when I was here in the Philippines with my ex. Didn't. We had virtually met on Instagram but never really talked or anything.
Just following each other.
Yeah, but like, you know, my parents don't really want me meeting up with some guy that I've never met and going down to southern Cebu and stuff. But we did meet in person before I ran off to southern Cebu.
Yeah, so she just told her parents that she knew me before. That way she can go to Kawasan with me and my friend Gabe.
Yeah.
So that in November we met in Cebu City at her hotel she was staying at. So the first time I actually met her in person was with her father,
Yeah, I was with my dad.
Mr. Palier.
Yep. At the bar.
Yeah, I ordered some French toast. Yeah, and she was just chilling with her dad.
Yeah, and
So-
that's when you heard my Australian.
Oh yeah, true. So I was super weirded out because the first time she talked to me, she's like, "Hey mate, put another shrimp on the barbie."
G'day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
You sure?
I didn't know that.
What the heck? You're Filipina. You sound Australian. So yeah, super weird. The next day.
Oh wait! Not the next day, because we went to the chicken place the next day. Do you remember?
True.
Yeah, so...
We went to the mall first.
Oh yeah, we did go to the mall first. That's where I met Gabe.
Yeah.
So I was at the mall with my parents and then
Buang,
Gabe.
maybe you guys remember Buang?
Yeah.
So, in America, we have this Great Salt Lake right here that's in Utah. And we have a lot of salt content, as you can tell by my eyes.
And then you guys were at the mall. Went to meet at the mall. That's how we met Gabe. And then after the mall, we all went back to my family's.
Fuente?
Yeah, my family's
Mango
hotel.
Street?
Family's hotel we were staying at. And then we went and got only chicken wings with my family.
So yeah, I went to Kawasan. And then, after a great time in Boal Boal,
Alright, ready? Go!
Okay? Okay. No, don't do that. How's the pen? How's the pen? Very good? Very good?
Seryoso na? They went back to Australia.
We did.
And me and Gabe went to Siargao.
Yeah, so that was the first time we met.
Alright, so let's move on to question number 2. Oh wait,
That was
question number
true.
3. Alright, question number 3. What age are you planning to get married? Let's not even ask this question because she's a little antsy. If you like it, then it should
About a week ago.
What?
About a week ago.
What do you mean?
This is the age I was planning on getting there.
She's
I'm
Louise.
joking.
She wants the ring.
I don't, yeah.
Patience is a virtue, guys.
I don't have
Don't
any.
rush things.
I know you.
Alright, so when do you plan on getting married? Do enlighten us.
Whenever you plan on getting married. Because unfortunately girls have no say. You just wait.
Let's move on.
Yeah.
Alright, next question. How was your meet the parents moment when you went to Utah?
Let's
Pressure's on, because
expand
you know
and
my
say
family's
like the
watching.
meet the family moment. Because everyone was at the airport. I remember when I was going down the escalator and I've seen photos of his family and we message sometimes. And I saw his younger sister McCall there and she's holding a camera and I'm like, no, oh no. He's gonna do this, it's gonna be a flash mob or something.
I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
No, the thing is, in Utah, there's a lot of
Return missionary.
return missionaries for the LDS church. And so when she came down the escalator, there's tons of families waiting for their kids to come home from their mission. And so in her mind, she thinks that this whole family is for her.
Something is going to, I just thought there's so many people looking up at the escalator. I'm on the escalator. There's McCall with the camera. Something's gonna happen. And then it wasn't all for me.
But my family was there.
Yes, his family was there. And it's a big family. And there was balloons and posters and olives. Yeah. And then, yeah, I met his parents. And it was awesome. Like,
Probably intimidating, but
very intimidating. I'm an only child, very small family, and then coming into a big family, and I was jet lagged. Like I'd just come off 20 something hours of traveling, and I was like, and then we went to the rodeo, and it was all great. So yeah, I feel very part of the family.
All right, next question. What do you hate the most about Zoe? What do I hate the most? Oh yeah, for sure. Are you a celosa kind of girlfriend? What makes you kilig?
In your 12 months of being a couple, have you and Kaloy ever had any arguments, disagreements?